it's your girl 7LXFairy, and I am back with another one. That's right, another banger coming to you guys. So first and foremost, how you guys doing? If you guys are new to the channel, my name is 7LXFairy, and you want to make sure you click the beautiful red button right here to stay updated whenever I go live or upload videos. So welcome to Vlogmas episode 23. That's right, day 23. The days are going by so fast, like phew. So I'm coming to you guys with something new, something cool. Of course, you know I had to bring the fire to the channel. I just had to bring my fam some fire on the channel. So I'm coming to you guys with, wait for it. That's right, I'm coming to you guys with a homemade chocolate chip cookie recipe.
A chocolate chip cookie important to me too. Cowabunga! Cookie!
Oh man, I'm stoked to share with you guys. And as a disclaimer, yes, my hands are clean. Look at them, check them out. Wait, look at them, check them out. Yes, I do not play that when it comes to, you know, clean hands. It's all about being clean, being sanitary, and cleanliness is, imperative. You must have clean hands. Rule number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You must have clean hands, especially when working with food. And let's get right on into it. You guys excited to see my chocolate chip cookie recipe? I'm stoked to share it with you guys, so stay tuned. You guys get to see the ingredients, and let's get to it. All right, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so this is the next shot. This is the recipe to the homemade chocolate chip cookie recipe. I'm super excited to share with you guys. As you guys can see in the bowl, right here I have my butter already softened, it's ready to go. And here's my ingredients. This is actually a simple recipe, easy to make, requires a minimal amount of ingredients. So you probably wonder what goes into it. So of course, first things first, 3/4 cups of butter or margarine that's softened, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar right here, bang. Some light brown sugar right here. To the right I have my egg yolk. Look at that. 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Last but not least, let's not forget about the 1/8 teaspoon of salt. I'm definitely going to add 1/8 teaspoons in here, and let's get started. So first things first, we're going to combine the butter and the sugar together. Look at that. Boop. Mixing the granulated sugar in there. We're going to combine the butter, the sugar, and the egg yolk in a medium bowl. And then we're going to add our flour and baking powder and salt once we mix all the sugars together. So question of the day, what is your favorite type of cookie? What do you guys like? What type of cookies do you guys like? Make sure you guys sound off in the comments section below or in the premiere, because I love hearing from you guys. That. Uh-oh, there's the egg yolk going on. Mix this up a bit. And then we're going to mix our brown sugar in here. Let's mix the brown sugar. Look at that. So I mix all of these together. Look at that, it's coming together. Oh, it looks really good. Let's see if I can zoom in. Okay, so the sugars are mixed together, and the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna ensure that the flour and the baking powder and salt are mixed in here. So we're adding 1 3/4 cups of flour in the mixture. Oh yeah, look at that flour. Oh yeah, look at it coming together. And another question of the day is, would you guys bake this recipe? Yes or yes? I want to know. Smash the like button if you guys love chocolate chip cookies. Just Hulk smash the like button if you love chocolate chip cookies in general. This is the 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder I just added in. And here we go. And last but not least, let's not forget about the pinch of salt. Pinch of salt right here. I'm adding my chocolate chips in right now. So this is my chocolate chip mixture. As you guys can see, look at the chocolate chips. I added a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Look at that. Ooh, chocolate chip cookies. I know you guys probably wanted chocolate chips. A 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Yes, I know there are some chocolate chip lovers out there that just absolutely love chocolate chips. For this recipe, you guys have the freedom to add how many chocolate chips you prefer. As you guys can see, I have my chocolate chips ready to go. Look at that. You can add as little or as much as you prefer. So this is a decent amount. I don't typically like a lot of chocolate, chips in my cookies, but it's up to you, whatever you guys like. So it's completely up to you guys. This is really what you guys think. Should I add more chocolate chips, incorporate more chocolate chips in the mixture, just for the holidays, or just leave it as is? What do you guys like to do? Here's another question today. Are you guys chocolate chip, lovers? What's your favorite all-time, cookie? Like, what do you guys like? What type of cookies do you guys prefer? Alright, it is done. Look at the consistency. Alright. And of course you can flatten it out. Well, you can scrape the sides with our flat spatula. It's right here. I have my flat spatula. And I'm just going to smooth down the sides right here. Enjoy the ASMR sounds. You guys see? So I just scrape this, and I just may stick to the flat spatula. Just gonna set this over here. Then use the flat spatula and just flip it over. You want to make sure you mix all of the flour out of your cookie dough mixture. Look at the shape. Scrape the sides down some. And the cookie dough is really coming together. I'm going to rewash my hands because I'm going to roll up the cookie dough. Don't mind the water sounds in the background. I'm simply rewashing my hands. And when I return, you're going to watch me roll out the cookie dough. I'm super excited. Oh man, so question of the day, what is your favorite type of cookie? What do you guys like to bake? What type of cookies do you guys like to bake? Alright. Ta-da! I'm back. Okay, let's roll this cookie dough. Ta-da! Look at that. Ta-da! Let's roll out this cookie dough. So, this is the fun part. This is my favorite part when it comes to baking cookies. Look at that. And I don't know if I should make large cookies or small cookies, but look at this. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Just simply roll the cookie dough into a ball with clean hands. Roll your cookie dough into a ball with clean hands. Make sure you guys put some muscle into it. That's important. Make sure you guys roll your cookie dough out with clean hands, and I'll return once I rolled all of these cookies out. Alright. Make sure your cookies bake 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Here we go. Happy baking. Almost finished. Give it about 1 more minute and these cookies are done. And here is the finished product. Look at the chocolate chip cookies. Grab one. Go ahead. Look at the chocolate chip cookies, guys. All done. Nice and fluffy. Love the nice thick texture. Oh man. Nothing like a hearty chocolate chip cookie.